What is the FPA Disclosure Code? The FPA Disclosure Code requires all FPA member companies to disclose transfers of value to healthcare professionals, HCPs, and healthcare organizations, HCOs. Under the code, member companies will disclose the names of healthcare professionals and organizations that have received payments or other transfers of value from them, direct or indirect, the amounts of value transferred, and specify the type of relationship and value, which could consist of, for instance, a consultancy fee, payment for travel, or payment of fees to attend a congress. This information will be posted on a public platform, like the member company's own website or a common website. Why was the code created? Pharmaceutical companies contribute to knowledge sharing, helping HCPs to keep ahead of professional developments, maintain safe and effective practice, and contribute to optimal use of treatments. The FPA HCP Code sets standards that member companies will comply with when sponsoring or organizing activities for HCPs. It is essential pharmaceutical companies interact regularly with healthcare professionals and organizations in order to advance research and development while delivering new and improved treatments to patients. The medical profession offers invaluable expert knowledge on patients' behavior and management of diseases. This plays an important part in informing the pharmaceutical industry's efforts to improve patient care and treatment options, essential to improving patient outcomes. A healthy working relationship between the pharmaceutical industry and HCPs, HCOs is necessary. Of course, HCPs and HCOs are compensated for the valuable insights and time they offer. These relationships need to be transparent, adopting several good governance principles: integrity, respect, responsiveness, accountability, and collaboration. The disclosure will be made by 2016, at which point they will report transfers of value made to healthcare professionals and organizations from the previous year, 2015. By introducing the Disclosure Code, FPA is moving the pharmaceutical industry towards greater openness and seeking the full support of stakeholders at EU level.